is up, guys? Swish every time you're back again with a new video. Today we'll be doing NBA, all NBA teams, current NBA teams, draft, like fantasy draft. So I'm gonna randomly pick my team and see which team I'm gonna be. I'm gonna be the Pistons. Let's get this started. Alright, what pick do I have? Pistons. I'm gonna have like the 30th pick. I think I see myself. Dude. 16. Okay, I've picked 16. Let me go sim to 16. Pistons are on the clock. So, we can take Damian Lillard, Jimmy Butler, DeMar DeRozan, Marc Gasol. I think I might go with Butler. Lillard or Butler. That's my, I feel like Butler is the better player out of Lillard and him. Alright. Eric Bledsoe. Ooh, Eric Bledsoe. Alright. Yeah, I have to go with Eric. Okay. This is a Serpentine draft. So, Sims. Small forward. Zach. Oh, dude. I think I might go with Paul Gasol. No, he's old. I'm gonna go with Greg Monroe. Yeah, Greg Monroe. Welcome to the Pistons. Okay, I need a power forward now, not Dirk. I do need a small forward. Eric Gordon. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with Eric Gordon because I need a solid shooting guard and I don't have that yet. Alright, 5th pick. I need a power forward. Not a mirror. Taj Gibson. He's 31. Nikolai Mirotic. Oh, his contract's huge, isn't it, though? David Lee. I'm gonna go with Mirotic. Wait, let me just look at all positions real quick. I think I need a small forward too. Yeah, I need a small forward. Why did I pick another shooting guard? He can be my 6th man. I don't know why I picked him though. Pistons. Alright, where is my pick? Choose player. Alright, let's get this going. I really do need a small forward. So, Trevor Ariza. Yeah. Yeah, James Johnson. I'll take James Johnson. Alright. Power forward. Mir. Michael Beasley. Yeah, I'll take Michael Beasley. No. Okay, so I have my 6th man and Eric Gordon. Small forward, center, power forward. I have all my starters. I just need some good bench players now. Thaddeus Young is a good backup power forward. I think I might take him. Or Ryan Anderson. You know what? Ryan Anderson. Welcome to the team. Zaza. You know, the GOAT is here, and I might just have to take the GOAT just because he's the GOAT. Yeah, I'm gonna take Zaza. And my players are somewhat old, which kind of sucks, but I'm gonna take a young player with this pick. Whoa, why is this guy 13? Oh, is this the guy that they added into the game? Wait. Oh yeah, I watched a video on this once. Yeah, this is the guy that added to the game that he has like, doesn't he have good potential? I thought he had A+ potential. Huh. That's weird. Alright. Pick. I don't know, wait. Mono splitter. Justin Holiday. I already have a shooting guard. I need like a Evan Turner. Yeah, pick Evan Turner. Alright. So small forward, backup center, backup shooting guard. I need a point guard now. Point guard and Andre Miller. No, he's old. He's gonna retire almost immediately. Langston Galloway. So this is gonna be a 2-year rebuild, like season and then off season and then another season. Not another off season though. And then hopefully we can win a championship. All right, wait. Oops. Overall, what do I need now? I'm just gonna look for a good, solid player that doesn't have a huge contract. I can't even see contracts, so I don't even think contracts matter. Tyler Zeller, no. Devin Harris. Is Mr. Kelly Golenik here? Oh, he's not. Oh, that sucks. Alright, I guess I could just take Sean Livingston. I really like Sean Livingston. Or Shalvin Mack. I'm gonna take Shalvin Mack. I know I just got a point guard my last pick, but might as well just get solid players. Aaron Baines, yes, I'll take him. I'll take another shooting guard as my last pick. Thornton, or I could take Joe Harris. What's the best potential here? Yeah, I'll take this guy. He has a B-, I think that was. C+ potential. View, draft summary. Alright, exit draft. Yeah, that was my first episode of this. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and comment. And this is gonna be a ongoing series on my channel. I'm just gonna make a upload thing so that I can post them when I'm busy and stuff. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed that draft, I'll show you my team one more time. Jimmy Butler, Eric Bledsoe, Greg Monroe, James Johnson, Ryan Anderson, and yeah, that's my starting 5 right there. I think I get a solid team. Yeah, Celtics as a preseason number 1. Where am I? I'm 16, so I think I'll be an 8th seed. I have Jimmy Butler leading, so I feel confident. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like and comment and subscribe for future content like this. I'm gonna be dropping videos daily, trying to. Football starts soon, school starts soon. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like. I've said that 1,000 times. Alright, peace.